Hello guys, myself Dr. Alok, and here we will discuss about the health effects of the aloe vera. The topic is aloe vera, a miracle gift of nature. Aloe vera belongs to genus aloe. It is a succulent plant. It means it stores a lot of juice, lot of succus inside the leaf. It is traditional herbal medicine noted in diverse ancient culture such as Egyptian, Indian and Chinese. We use the latex and gel and have tremendous health benefit. The inner side of the leaf containing outer latex and inner gel. This is the picture of the transverse section of the leaf, and the outermost side is the leaf, and then is the yellow color here. The yellow color is there, and it is a latex portion, and inside or in the middle there is a polysaccharide, which is a gel-like structure. Anthraquinones are the main active components found in the bitter aloe latex of aloe vera. The latex portion have a compounds anthraquinones which have a major effect in the health benefits, and it includes the anthraquinone includes the aloin A, aloin B, aloe-emodin, chrysophanol, aloenin, and aloesaponol first, second, third and fourth. With regard to the aloe polysaccharide that is present in the middle, it includes glucose-mannose polysaccharide. The other active components are aloe-lectins, cellulase, catalase, superoxide dismutase. What are the health benefits? We should know the health benefits of aloe vera. It have antimicrobial effect. It means it prevent the growth of microbes. Various studies revealed multiple components found in the aloe vera leaves. Actually, there is a spelling mistake. Exhibit antimicrobial activity. So it have antimicrobial effect. It have antiviral activities also. Lectin isolated from the aloe vera leaf gel could possibly interfere with protein synthesis of viruses. It prevents the synthesis of protein, which is a major part of the virus outermost coat. Aloe-emodin can effectively reduce the influenza virus. Aloe vera consumption improves the immune system by increasing the CD4 count. It means it is effective in HIV patients also. It have anti-cancerous activity. Aloe vera treatment containing aloin and aloe-emodin can significantly reduce the proliferation. It have antioxidant activity also. The aloe vera contains mainly antioxidant including alpha tocopherol, that is called vitamin E, carotenoids, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, flavonoids and tannins. Hence it is beneficial in combating disease related to the oxidation stress in the body such as cancer, diabetes as well as cardiovascular diseases. It have anti-inflammatory activity. Inflammation, it means there is a pain, redness, heat, which is a natural response against the infection of the body. Aloe vera extracts hold the great potential for the treatment of inflammatory disease. It have a major role in the skin protection. Aloe vera also exhibit skin protective properties since the ancient time. Aloe vera extracts aloe mucopolysaccharide help to combat combined with water in the skin, by which our skin are moist. The antioxidant and vitamins found in the aloe vera extract can neutralize the impact of ultraviolet light on the skin. So it may neutralize the effect of ultraviolet light also to the skin. It have wind healing properties also. It is a most important property of the aloe vera. Aloe polysaccharide promote fibroblast proliferation and produce hyaluronic acid and hydroxyproline in fibroblast, both of which play a role in extracellular matrix remodeling during the wound healing processes. It works very effectively or efficiently in the case of burn. If you like this information, please subscribe us, like us and support us. Thank you.